Hello, dear students. Today we shall complete Enemy chapter. Enemy chapter, where main theme is that human considerations overpowers all the considerations, all the emotions. इंसानियत की जो भावना होती है बाकी सभी भावनाओं से ऊपर होती है. As the name of the chapter is enemy, दुश्मन. कौन है यहाँ पर दुश्मन? Let us see the story. America, Japan at war. There was a time when there was a war between America and Japan. Dear students, when two countries are at war with each other, so their citizens becomes enemies of each other. Their citizens becomes enemy of each other. This is the main theme of the story. For example, if we take of India and Pakistan partition, when India and Pakistan partition was there, Hindus became enemy of Muslims and Muslims became enemy of Hindus. So a lot of bloodshed was there. Similarly, in America and Japan, when they were at war with each other, so their citizens also becomes enemy of each other, because that is the question of loyalty, that is the question of patriotism. वो देशभक्ति का सवाल होता है. So with the same spirit we are having some characters in this story who will highlight the theme of the story. Let us see some characters. First main character is Dr. Sadao. He is a surgeon, studied in America. His father sent him to get his higher study doctorate degree from America. He became a surgeon. Such type of operation he does that even after surgical operation he was not leaving any mark. Nobody could say that operation has been done. And next character is Hana, Dr. Sadao's wife, to whom he married when he was in America during his study. Both Hana and Dr. Sadao, when saw each other, they both fell in love at the very first sight and they decided to get married. Although their father was not agree, but when they came back in Japan, they showed that they did marriage in America according to Japanese rituals. जापान के रिचुअल्स के अकॉर्डिंग शादी की है. Then Dr. Sadao's father gave his consent. And next character is Yumi. It's a maid servant. It's a maid servant in the house of Dr. Sadao. Next is Tom. Tom is an American soldier, and last character is General, army officer. Let us see from where the story starts. In the beginning of the story, it is told that where is the house of Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao's house was at the sea beach. समुंदर के किनारे उनका घर है, where pine trees are very long, and both husband and wife were standing together in the arms, having arms in the arms of each other. And it was very cold, winter time was there, and fog was there. They saw something blackish fell near the seashore. कुछ उन्हें लगा कि धुंध में कुछ कोई गिरा है वहाँ पर. When they both reached there to see, they found that there was an American soldier. There was an American soldier. He was hit back with a bullet, and lot of blood had been flowed from his body, and he was lying unconscious. American soldier was lying unconscious there. And how did they recognize this? On his cap it was written US Navy. US Navy it was written. So they recognized that this is the American soldier prisoner who had been escaped from there, and he had been hit. His body was striking with the cliffs, rocks in the seas, and lot of blood was flowed from his body. And here the word dilemma, in dilemma means it is a confusing state when a person is not able to take a decision. Now Dr. Sadao was in dilemma. वो confused था what to do or what not to do, कि मैं क्या करूँ क्या ना करूँ. Means as a doctor it is his duty to save the life. अगर अपने आप को एज ए डॉक्टर देखता है, it is his prime duty to save the life of a dying man, because when a person becomes a doctor, the doctor takes pledge that he will try to save the life of the dying man irrespective of his color, caste or creed. कोई धर्म नहीं देखूंगा, कोई उसका कलर नहीं देखूंगा, कोई उसकी जात नहीं देखूंगा, just I will try to save the life of that man. As a doctor it is his duty to save the life of that American soldier, but as a citizen of America, he must kill that American soldier because he was his enemy. अगर सिटीजन देखे, अपने देश के प्रति वफादारी को देखे, तो उसे उसको मार देना चाहिए था. आइदर ही शुड हैव किल्ड दैट एनिमी और ही शुड हैव हैंडेड ओवर हिम टू द पुलिस. After some time he decided to save the life because he was a doctor, he was a human being. As I told you, the main theme of the story is that human considerations overpowers all the other considerations. Next, when they took the body at home, Dr. Sadao was a surgeon, so he decided to operate that soldier because he was hit with a bullet at the backside, so he decided to operate. Servants refused to wash the body. Whosoever servants were there in the house of Dr. Sadao, they refused to wash the body of the soldier, and ultimately they said that no, they are true patriot of Japan. हम जापान के सच्चे देशभक्त हैं. We shall not stay here. हम यहाँ पर नहीं रहेंगे. They left their jobs also. Then Hana, Dr. Sadao's wife, washed the body herself. Hana ने उसकी body को साफ किया because there was a lot of blood. Helped during operation anesthesia. So Hana also helped during operation when Dr. Sadao was doing operation. So she was there when the patient was crying with pain. She was dipping cotton in the anesthesia and keeping in front of the nostril of the soldier, and with the smelling sense he was becoming little bit unconscious. So in this way anesthesia is a medicine to keep the person unconscious for a while, बेहोश करने की दवा. So due to this we can see that she washed the body and she helped him in operation also. So we can say that she was very cooperative wife. Next we proceed. A recovery of soldier. Operation was done, as we know that Dr. Sadao was very successful surgeon, very great talented doctor. Even a general of the army was not allowing him to go outside with the troops because general himself was a heart attack patient, and he believes on Dr. Sadao's services too much. So he was a very great doctor. So when operation was done by Dr. Sadao, a recovery of soldier, the soldiers recovered very soon. Soldiers started recovering soon. And there is one more point I have added, Hana's objection. Let us see what type of objection Hana did after the recovery of the soldier. Hana worried about safety of Dr. Sadao and the children. When soldiers started getting recovered rapidly, so she was very much worried about the safety of Dr. Sadao and her family, children, because she thought that if anybody came to know that they had given shelter to an enemy in their homes, Dr. Sadao's life would be at the risk. He would be considered traitor. Traitor means gaddar. डॉक्टर सदाव को गद्दार माना जाएगा. He could be hanged to death. He could be hanged, he could be sentenced to life imprisonment, he could be sentenced to death also. So she wanted to get rid of a soldier as soon as possible. Rid of means छुटकारा पाना, उस soldier से छुटकारा पानी चाहती थी. She told very frankly to Dr. Sadao that this person should not be here for the safety point of view. So in the beginning, Dr. Sadao decided to tell the whole plan to the police. He wrote one letter also, but ultimately he torn that pages in which he was writing letter to police and threw in the dustbin. And meanwhile, what happened? One day, a general who was a patient of heart attack sent his messenger at house of Dr. Sadao. Messenger arrived to call Dr. Sadao. At the time, they got worried, they got frightened that might be their servants or anybody else had told the government that they had given shelter to an enemy in their house. So Dr. Sadao went as per demanded by general. He went there to general, treated general. He gave the treatment to medicine to general, and here he informed all the matter to the general. Dr. Sadao informed, exposed all the things, that how the things happened, how he met an enemy soldier, and how as a doctor he performed his duty and gave shelter to that soldier at home, and he did operation. So he exposed all the things to general, because he was in the confidence of a general. That's why he explained each and everything to general, hoping that general would help him. So after listening all the things, the generals made a plan that to kill the soldiers through his assassins. General knew that if they catch the soldier from the house of Dr. Sadao, Dr. Sadao's life will be at risk, because he will be considered traitor that he had given a shelter to an American soldier at his house. So he told that there is no any other solution. Only the solution is that he must be killed now at your house. Assassins means the persons who kill someone, murderers. So general planned that he will send his assassins to kill that soldier, and Dr. Sadao was advised to open the back door. Dr. Sadao waited for 3 days. Dr. Sadao waited for first day, second day, nobody came. Third day, it was raining also. He thought that now he had been killed, but nobody came, but all in vain. There was no use of waiting for 3 days. All in vain means sab bekar gaya. No one came to kill the soldier. So ultimately, Dr. Sadao was under pressure. He wanted to get rid of that soldier by hook or crook, as per safety point of his family. So Dr. Sadao himself arranged a boat. He didn't tell the police, he didn't tell anything else, he didn't kill him. Ultimately, Dr. Sadao decided to send him back to America safely and secretly. So Dr. Sadao made a plan that he will help the American soldier, his enemy, to reach back America safely and secretly, किसी को पता ना चले. So Dr. Sadao arranged a boat. This is the last part of the story. Dr. Sadao arranged a boat, and he gave some quilts also to be get comfort from the cold winter season. Mineral water for drinking water. Sea water is so salty. And he gave some edible items also, and he gave one flashlight also. I forgot right here. He gave one flashlight also, that if he had any problem, so he could flash one time. And he gave some instructions also, that in the evening time not to set fire on the island, otherwise he would be caught. There would be chance to be caught there. So it was to land on the island nearby. Dr. Sadao told that a nearby one island is there, and also guided the soldier to board in Korean ship. The Korean ship daily passes away from the island which leads to America. On that ship he should board in and go back to America safely and secretly. So enemy soldier thanked Dr. Sadao. Enemy soldier Tom was very much thankful to Dr. Sadao for giving the best treatment and saving his life and treating him with full of human considerations, even at the time of the war. The enemy soldier thanked Dr. Sadao and followed the guidance and reached America safely. So here the story ends, where Dr. Sadao, who and American soldier Tom, both were enemy of each other, but still they helped. Dr. Sadao helped his enemy when he was in the bad condition, when he was fully injured. So I hope you well understood this story. Read the chapter, read the text, read the question answers. If you face any problem, you may discuss with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.